Hello, back again with the one and only with Jan van Rivik Nokwake. If you haven't subscribed, please do the right thing. Hit that subscribe button and make sure or put on a notification bell so that when we go videos, I think the buile man. I think the buile. No man, I know the buile. We're back at it again. It's a different day, a different video. Today we have Boot Legend. Boot Legend featuring Uyihlo, not your dad since he ran away, but the name of the guy is Uyihlo with Baby Mama. I hate the song, but yeah, let's go for it. Spotify for free. Nuts. Let's go. Moses parted the sea.
Iyo pelinyana phela fast njani nalenyana foni yami oko ibikhala dizayini baby mama jam mama mntana ngifuna imali mntana mama mntana ngifuna imali mntana mama mntana ngifuna imali mntana dizayini baby mama jam iyo pelinyana phela fast njani nalenyana foni yami oko ibikhala dizayini baby mama jam mama mntana ngifuna imali mntana mama mntana ngifuna imali mntana mama mntana ngifuna imali mntana.
let me just stop there and kind of explain what the chorus is. This guy is having problems with the baby mom. We know the baby mama shenanigans, dog. I don't have a baby mama, but I've heard. I have friends in. Okay, I actually don't have friends in those situations. It's homes present dads. Yeah, well, because I put them in their place. Like, dog, when I go okay, that's cap. But yeah, so he's saying to him it feels like a month end the currency fee where he gets paid. Usually for us, like shit, it's only the 15th. If he got in 25, for him it's like fuck, you're 25 because he knows he needs to pay child support. So this baby mama is calling, hey mfana, imali baba, imali, umntana uTlanto, umntana uTyipaloni. Let's go.
Funa ntoni ndiyamazi uphandle namathomi ndiyamazi ulithi apha khona fuke imali fuke namathomi phela fast angekatshoni soze tuke mnala nesibhazi soze tuke mnala nesibhazi soze tuwale isparapip noba zilele apha sihlale sibe.
Anyone who knows what a sparapip is, please let us know. Anzazi mina.
Buze phakathini sanopopa ndukude emalini sanopopa njala sebhankini phela veki ifika serashini cima ifoni lebantwini uthi ungubani wakabani asikalali khisi sizoleleni asikalali khini siholini asikalali khini sipopile uthi ungubani wakabani asikalali khini sizoleleni yiyo pelinyana.
My boy is saying she's using because I blocked her. Fuck, I know she's gonna be hitting me up wanting money, and she's outside with her friends. They want money. Hey, mfana, bafuna isela le man. They wanna drink this money. I know, and fuck, you popile mfana. I mean, I wanna go out with my homies. As soon as my money comes in, it's going out. So it's a lamachita. So qilaza mfana, siyohlala emakhofi. Si relax, boy. Si relax. Oh, baby mama, sawabona man. Second half, some nigga change. Khona no sasa po. Yeah, bo. So that's what my boy is saying. So ucime phone yakhe. Baby mama using other people's phones. So it's like uthungubani, wakabani, hayi fana asikalali since izolini. Asikalali chini siholi. Chini.
Phela fast njani nalenyana foni yami oko ibikhala dizayini baby mama jam mama mntana ngifuna imali mntana mama mntana ngifuna imali mntana mama mntana ngifuna imali mntana dizayini baby mama jam yiyo pelinyana phela fast njani nalenyana foni yami oko ibikhala dizayini baby mama jam mama mntana ngifuna imali mntana mama mntana ngifuna imali mntana mama mntana ngifuna imali mntana
Mangapani
baby mama jam.
umdlezane solinike umsesane I'm from Cape Town. My boy, he was chowing someone's baby mom. He was chowing someone's baby mom. Essence is manga nomdlezane. But he knows he can't cuff that hoe. Because asoze nimnike umsesane. Mhlambe yena still 6, but I can't cuff that dog. She's for the streets. I know. I'm reaping the benefits. Kuye. Guchepis the one I saw, you know, dihlafuna kancasa. Zamshiya ke uliphinde. Take that fish, throw it back in the pond. Competitive fishing, fun. Competitive fishing. Uthi uyihlo. So, oh my boy.
When the house really had 10 girls. No batana wa call. Plastic na ilaga. Tulo bin dom down.
Baby mama, my boy is saying, okay, there's a term that says, "Maumtana untene." It's when you go raw, like you hit it, meat to meat, flesh to flesh, and fun. Yeah, boy. So he's saying edolopini, which is like a closer word for town. We're going to town. Dia edolopini. Yeah, boy. So edolopini town. It's a wordplay. It's like simple wordplay, but it hits so hard. Like, oh shit, because we kupila wailahla. My nigga was like, this thing is fire, dog. You feel me? Yummy cheese. Was it worth it? Asaz. Filipino, I'm down.
Baby, mama jam. Mama done, funny madam that. Mama done, funny madam that. Mama done, funny madam that. Is a genie baby, mama jam. Yo, Pelinyan, Pella Fasijan and Alenyan. Sony Yamu Ogo Ibikan. Is a genie baby, mama jam. Mama done, funny madam that. Mama done, funny madam that. Mama done, funny madam that. Is a genie baby, mama jam.
Sure. Let's go. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam.